Hi guys, it's Lindsay, the face behind BBAG99, here to do an unboxing of different puppies from the American Girl brand, including Coconut Chip. Let's go. Bubble wrap is always fun. Here is, I believe, Coconut, if I'm not mistaken. He's the only one I recognize out of these. But look how adorable. Look how adorable. Oh my gosh. And it's so soft too. My own puppy is getting jealous of these fake puppies. Look how cute this one is. I believe one of these are from a couple of the girls of the year. I'm not really sure what puppy goes with which girl or what year. I got these two more. So I got all of these AG puppies for $37, and I am just so excited to have actual AG puppies in my collection, including Coconut Chip. So I'm so excited because I've wanted Coconut forever, ever since I started collecting my first American Girl, Bridget, back when I was 12, 13-ish. Yeah. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and follow me if you want more unboxing videos. Bye.